3.
Just a second. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you how to get a GPS coordinate from a land. So after you've been downloading the app Google Earth Pro on your computer, now it's on your desk, you double click on it and that will appear. After that, you write the address that you want to get in. For example, I put this address in Kenya and I click on search. Okay. Now, I'm in the area that I was looking for. Now you can see, let's choose this land. So I get this land in beige bigger. You know how to make your screen bigger or smaller. That's it. So I have this land to I'm going to create a polygon on this land. So on the top, you have a pin and you have another icon that is written add polygon on the top, as you can see now. I click on it, a window will open. I'm going to start to do the polygon now. So I go in one corner and I follow the contour of the land like this. Every time I go to a corner, I click left, left, you know. Very simple. You just follow the contour of the land. As you can see now, you can't see where you're going because it's all in white. So you click in the middle. After you click, you put the finger on the blue, and you have a look where you have to go. So I can see I have to go up to here. I go above, I click on it again, and I click and hold. No, sorry, this is a mistake that you can make. So you delete everything. You go back on the blue, you click and hold, and you move until you see where you're going. Then you go this place now, the other corner. That's it. And the land is completed. As you can see, there's a bit missing here. So I go back on this blue point and I go up. Okay, I did my polygon. Now, on the right, on the window, I make a title, Kenya 1, for example. I go to measures just underneath, and I can see the perimeter is 0.86 and the area is 2.70 hectares. I'll register that in my head, 0.86, 270. I'll write it here, 0.86, 270, which means here, perimeter, And here, underneath surface, 2.7 hectares. That will give me an indication. You will see that after. I click OK. And then what I've been recording appears on the left. Kenya 1. If I click on top of the land, all the information appears straight away. Now, I need to record this link. So I put the arrow on the blue, I click right, I click on Save Place As, Kenya 1, I choose a file where you can record your link. It's a KMZ link. You save it. And then after, you have to send this link. So you send it via email or WhatsApp, then you attach this file to your email or to your WhatsApp, like you do normally. You attach this link and you send it to the person you have to. Okay? Thank you very much for that. And if you have any problem, don't hesitate to call me.